Welcome back. Well, stay cool this weekend, folks. We've got that heat advisory, and I do expect that to continue into the weekend. This one goes from now until this evening at 7 o'clock. The temperature is already getting pretty hot out there. In fact, we're at 92 at Mathis right now, Beeville up to 95, Kingsville 94, and Corpus Christi 91. The feels like temperatures, or the heat index, you're going to be hearing a lot about that in the next several days, as we've already been seeing it this week, rather high. It's already up to 111, feels like, in Ingleside right now, and 109 Robstown and Alice. So dealing with that extreme heat this afternoon. The winds are picking up, though. We've got 15 to almost 20 mile an hour winds that will continue to climb a little bit as we go through the afternoon to near 20 miles an hour. So at least we got that air being stirred up a little bit with that breeze. Nice sea breeze out there. These are the forecast highs today. We're going a little bit above average today, as we are going to hit close to 100 degrees inland and 94 Corpus Christi, 88 Port Aransas. But tomorrow and Sunday, add about 3 degrees to these. It's going to be a little hotter out there tomorrow and for the weekend. So the feels like forecast this afternoon, you can see about 111 peaking at Corpus Christi, a little bit lower in Duval County, staying at about 107 Freer, but 109 Sinton. And then as we go into Saturday, those numbers again are going to be close to 110 and just above, possibly up to 115. All right, we have our 6th named storm of the season, Faye, and it continues to bring heavy rain to the eastern seaboard right now, tracking northward, where we're looking at this sustained winds at 60 miles an hour is expected to hold at that and then start to weaken as it continues to move over land tonight. The northern trajectory takes this into New York City tonight, and with a 50 mile an hour wind and heavy rainfall, could see local amounts up to 7 inches in its path. And then by Saturday morning, it's already getting up into Vermont and moving out of the area, so it'll continue to speed up a little bit as it moves north. For us, it's been hot and humid. We've had this pattern develop, and for July we haven't had rainfall yet, and still looking for some. Can't get it. We got this big dome of high pressure over us, and as it strengthens further this weekend, we're in for those very hot temperatures, possibly the hottest yet this season. Now, as the high starts to shift to the east and move north, that is going to open the door for more moisture, and this is a look at the upper level pattern by this next Friday, a week from now. And then we'll start to see the easterly winds, and that will allow a couple of things: that moisture to move in more from the Gulf, and these disturbances could start to approach the area. If they do, that'll give us some rain chances, and you can see that as that happens, we'll see that potential for rainfall late next week, possibly by the weekend. Meanwhile, you can see the rainfall outlook. We have been in the drier category, but notice through the 23rd of July, little green here showing up, meaning the outlooks are for a chance we'll see above average precipitation at the end of that period. So I'm thinking July 20th and beyond we'll have a better chance of rain. We need it. I'm tired of watering the lawn every day almost, so we're going to look for that. In the meantime, we just have a lot of sunshine in the forecast. It heats up more this weekend. Next week, temperatures start to come back down near normal by the end of the week.